Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 20th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, a Phase 3 study of Eli Lilly's abemaciclib in women with hormone receptor-positive, HER2-negative advanced breast cancer met its main goal of progression-free survival. The company said that based on the data, it plans to submit an application for the CDK4/6 inhibitor to the FDA in the third quarter of this year. Also in the news, Bristol-Myers Squibb expanded a deal signed in 2014 with CytomX Therapeutics to discover novel cancer therapies that will now include up to 8 additional targets. Bristol-Myers Squibb will make an upfront payment of $200 million to CytomX, with the latter eligible to receive up to $448 million in milestone payments for each collaboration target. In other news, a late-stage study of Nektar Therapeutics' NKTR-181 in patients with moderate to severe chronic low back pain who were new to opioid therapy met its primary endpoint. According to the company, the drug is the first full mu-opioid agonist molecule designed to provide potent pain relief without high levels of euphoria. In addition, results indicate that treatment with SGLT2 inhibitors, including AstraZeneca's Farxiga, reduced the rate of hospitalization for heart failure by 39% in patients with type 2 diabetes. Results of the CVD REAL trial also showed that SGLT2 inhibitors cut the rate of death from any cause by 51% compared with other medications for diabetes. And finally, study results showed that the extended use of Johnson & Johnson and Bayer's Xarelto led to significantly fewer recurrent blood clots and similar rates of major bleeding compared to aspirin in patients with venous thromboembolism. Principal investigator Jeffrey Weitz remarked that the Einstein Choice trial demonstrates no role for aspirin and VTE, which should change practice. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.